Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. So let's start. So what is the purpose of a channel? So channel is used to organize discussions, files and updates for a specific topic or teamwork in one place. Now follow these steps. Let's start. So in Teams, go to the left side menu and click on the Teams and click on three dots and select your Teams and channel options. And on the right side you will see a create team options. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the team name and add a shortcut description about the purpose of the team. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe for more such videos. And then select the team type like private. In private, people need permission to join, and in public, anyone in your organization can join. So I choose private. Now let's create a channel name. So I will add a Gemba observations. So for example, in TPM I am creating a channel called Gemba. Okay, so my channel is created. Next is to add the members. Enter the email IDs of the employee you want to add, and
And here I can put it him as a member or the owner of the team. So I will put him as a member, and then I will create add members. Member has been added to these observations. Here you can see all your teams. Here you can see team PM has been created. So I will click on this PM channels. It is having one channels. Suppose if I want to add one channels more, then I can create it on more channels like daily meetings. Description of subject. Channel type is private, and then I create everything. Then I will create menu.
so the channel has been created. So here I can upload the data and documents here, so everyone who are the members of the team channel, they can see and check the updates of the status. So that's it for the today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel on YouTube for more learning videos.